Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. TR Tony here. Hope you're having a really good week wherever you are. We're just on the run up to Christmas now, so looking forward to lots of turkey and trimmings and maybe the odd drinky or two. The odd pint of speckled hen might be coming our way, so very much looking forward to that. If you want to keep up with off-camera shenanigans, by the way, just click the link below and hook up with us on Saturday Sockets. It's a weekly Saturday email that we do every week, and I think you'll find it quite fun. So that's going out worldwide now, so feel free to join in with us and see what that's all about. And very, very exciting, and lots going on as ever, which I will talk about later on, no doubt, as we get towards Christmas and the new year. But for now, I've had an email in from a guy called John Powell over in Australia, and he is actually responsible for keeping a register of all the stags that are over there in the Australia kind of area. And I just thought it would be very useful to show you some of the pictures that he sent over. There's been literally tens, if not hundreds, of photos of stags that have come through. So decided to do a little bit of a a snapshot of all the stags. So you've got a stag fest coming your way with some background music to boot, just to celebrate the mark and all these lovely cars. And I'll talk you through what he's doing with all of these and keeping the register of all these handy for future generations. But let's go and take a look. Hold on to your seats. It's going to be fun. Isn't it tremendous to see all these lovely stags lined up, and all these photographs have been sent in by owners around Australia and the surrounding parts to John in terms of him setting up the register, which is a fantastic thing to have done, and obviously is a very much an ongoing project. So please feel free, if you've got a stag in Oz or anywhere thereabouts and you feel that you want to put your details in, then absolutely, why not? You've got to be able to do that. That'll be brilliant. And looking at the stag register itself, it's really, really interesting, because John says that fully listed now, there are now 351 Triumph stags over there, and in terms of named owners or incomplete or no details, there's 126. There are some unknown owners as well. The chassis themselves are listed, but no known owner that goes with them, and of those there's 1,131. Now, exported from Australia is 8, and if you add all that up, it's a total of 1,616, which is an amazing number of stags, and great to see them all looking so resplendent in the down under sunshine. Top work. John also keeps a list of what he calls a survivor rate, and currently there are 892 registered stags in Australia, and of 1,608 total Australian stags listed. So we reckon by that score that over 55.5% have survived to date, which is quite remarkable when you think these cars are nearly 50 years old. In fact, they are 50 years old and beyond some. Okay guys, so I'll just let you sit back and relax and look at these lovely photos of these beautiful stags down under. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that ride. Loads and loads of stags out there, and great to see such a fan base growing over there in Australia and beyond. And good on you, John, for making sure that you keep all those records up to date. Now, if you happen to have a stag and you're over there, I'll put John's contact details in the description. Please feel free to get in touch. Clearly, he knows that there's loads and loads of stags out there that aren't registered on the register. There's some gaps missing, so he would very much like to have any further information you guys might have got to complete and build that register still further. And I think it's already proving to be a really good archive and reference journal for everybody over there, so all good. Okay guys, well have a great build up to Christmas. I wish you a very Merry Christmas if I don't see you before, and hope you have a peaceful time as best we can do in these COVID times. I know they're challenging, but who knows what is going to happen in 2021. I think very positive going forward. Vaccines and everything else coming our way, so hopefully we'll start to get out and about in these lovely cars of ours and meet each other again after all these months of lockdowns throughout the world. Anyway, have a great time, rest, be with your family, enjoy yourselves, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. All the best. Cheers for now.